Hello everyone. So in this week's Blazing Peak, we are presenting you Kalpataru Power Limited. Kalpataru Power manufactures power transmission line towers, and it mainly caters to the Power Grid Limited and also various state electricity boards. It came up with its quarterly results recently. It registered a growth of around 1.45% in its net profit. That is, its profit was 139 crores as against 137 crores uh, y on y basis, and its net revenue declined by 5%. But what we see positive for the company is its quarter on quarter growth that has increased uh, 220% in its net profit, and it has registered 30% growth in its revenue. So what we further like in the company is its healthy order book pipeline. So it has around 12,292 crores of order book, and has L1 tenders of around 2,400 crores, which provides visibility of for the 1 year going ahead. And it also has various biddings which are beneficial for the company, as they have more than 10,000 to 15,000 crores of T&D bidding, and railway bidding of around 1500 to 2000 crores, and also the railway electrification uh, of rupees 10,000 to 15,000 crores are expected to be bidded in the coming months. Kalpataru has now diversified its product segments going ahead, as it has its revenue from non-T&D business has grown by around 40% from FY15 to H1 FY21, and also its railways and OG has grown exponentially over the last few years, as its railway order book and revenue has grown by around 6 times to 10 times respectively, and its ONG business has grown by 3 times and 5 times respectively. So, considering all these factors, we are very confident on the company, and we recommend a buy on the company for the target of rupees 395. Thank you.